Is Kajabi the right platform for you if you're trying to rank in search? Well, in this video, I'm going to have a deep dive into Kajabi's SEO functionality, how to best leverage what Kajabi offers, and how you can actually see the results in ranking in Google. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. Right off the bat, I am a Kajabi hero and I am a Kajabi partner. Before I dive into the training of this video, I first of all want to make you an offer. As I am a partner, I can get you an extended 30-day free trial of this platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin at no cost to you. You can simply head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, have a look at the awesome bonuses on this landing page before you click through and start your free 30-day trial with this platform. And yes, this is an affiliate link. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel if you choose to go over those 30 days and use Kajabi for your online business. But as a thank you for using my link and opening up your Kajabi account, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. It's a program that I've developed. If I were to hit the reset button or unbox a new Kajabi account tomorrow, what I would do first, second, third, and fourth to set it up for scale. And if you continue to use Kajabi after those 30 days and love it like I do, like I think you will, as a second thank you for me for using my link, I'm going to automate you another program. It's Kajabi sales page templates. Just simply forward me your receipt as a paying customer, and I'm going to give you access to another program. You can simply download these sales page templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi account. These are the exact templates that I use in my online business today. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the other bonuses that I'm offering on this landing page. And I wish you all the best with your Kajabi journey. So let's dive straight on over into the training. All right, so I am back inside my live Kajabi account. And in order to try and have a look at how SEO-able my Kajabi site is or some of my blog posts, I'm going to look into my blog settings. So I've gone into my website design. All you have to do is drop down to blog. And if you are writing any sort of blog post, it's really key to actually create SEO rich content. Now, it is a question I do get asked a lot. Is Kajabi the best platform for writing blogs or putting SEO-able content out there? And I always respond with, it's not necessarily the tool, but it's just how you use it. So Kajabi have got all of the tools really that you need to write a keyword-rich SEO-able blog. So I'm just going to pick one of my blog posts at random, how to edit videos with the YouTube Studio Editor. Now I've gone back a few months just so it's had time to rank, to embed in, and to be discovered by Google. I do find, just as a side note, that whenever I put content on YouTube, it ranks quite quickly, but in order for that content to rank on Google, it might take a little bit longer, depending on what content it is and how competitive that keyword is. So whenever anyone is looking at SEO'd content, you've got to optimize it to a certain keyword, right? So in this blog post, the main keyword obviously is YouTube Studio Editor. So I'm writing this entire blog inside of Kajabi, but I'm targeting the main keyword YouTube Studio Editor. So if you've uploaded a video to YouTube and you've made a mistake after the fact, after it's published, you can actually go in and edit it within the YouTube Studio. So I actually will link up to a video where I'm going to show you how I build out or how I create my blog posts. I'm just going to show you what one looks like now. So I'm going to preview this blog post. And again, this is all on Kajabi. So I have the title, I embed my YouTube video, and then I turn everything into a blog post. So my primary source of traffic is YouTube, or discoverability is YouTube. My main focus in this business is YouTube discoverability, but my secondary is Google. So I either want my videos to rank in Google or I want these articles to rank in Google. So like I say, I will link up to exactly how I put these blog posts together, but let's have a look how SEO'd they are. Now, this was published a few months ago. You can actually go into the source code here. And then if I was to click Command F and type in YouTube Studio here, I can even type in YouTube Studio Editor, you can actually see here that I am like constantly writing about YouTube Studio Editor. YouTube Studio Editor in the copy. So it is a keyword rich blog post. You can actually put tags in it as well. If you have any images, you can put alt text. I don't tend to put many images in my blog post, but I make it keyword rich. So now there is a little tool that I use to actually look at how SEO'd my content is. So as you click save, Kajabi will actually generate a URL slug for you. So I'm just going to copy this. This is the URL link. Go into Google PageSpeed Insights. So it's just pagespeed.web.dev. It's a dev site. I'm just going to paste in that and I'm just going to click analyze. Now Google PageSpeed Insights is going to crawl this page and it's going to tell me how SEO'd this content is. Now again, it's not about the tool that you use, it's how you use it. So if you do have a process where you can write content rich blog posts, again, I have linked that up, then you're going to stand a good chance of getting a good SEO score. Now this is going to take a while just to actually churn out. It's going to look at mobile and desktop. And as this comes out, you can see I'm interested in the SEO score, which is 100. There's going to be all sorts of other scores here, and it's very hard to get 100 across the board, but I'm interested in this page has an SEO score of 100. You can actually look at Google Search Console if you want a little bit more in-depth analysis of how your website and your landing pages are performing. Again, once more, I will link up another video that I have done on Google Search Console, which I won't cover in this video. But Kajabi is a good tool. Everything is under one roof, so it does shortcut that learning gap. And I think it's a great tool to actually publish my weekly blog posts and my weekly keyword-rich blog posts that work very well in SEO. So there we have it. Hopefully you've enjoyed that training and you've learned something. And more importantly, you can actually take action and implement something that you have learned today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi if you haven't already opened up your free account. But if you have any questions about this training, just comment down below. I will get back to you. Hopefully this video has provided you with some value and I look forward to seeing you on the very next one.